Hello friends, I'm Lakhan Kumar. Welcome to Damani Skills. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Busuu app. In this video, I will totally tell you about Busuu app. So watch this video to end. If you want to learn Busuu app and also you want to learn English, so Busuu app is really best for learning English. So watch this video, and I hope it will be interesting for you for learning new language. And I hope it will be best for you. So watch this video till end and learn about Busuu app. Okay, before I start, I have a request. If you're new, so please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, you can always ask in comments box. Okay, let's get started. So now in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Busuu app. It's a really best app for you for learn English and other language. Any language you want, you can learn in this app with easily way. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to tell you. First of all, I would like to tell you how to install. Before I told you, I added a link in description below, and also if you want to install through Play Store, so you can install it from Play Store. Simply type BUSW and just enter, and you can see this app. You should need to install. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to use. First of all, you should need to open Busuu app. So here you can see learn a language in 10 minutes a day. You just need to spend your 10 minutes each and every day on this app, and then definitely you will learn. Okay, first of all, we are going to start learning. Which language would you like to learn? Simply any language you want to learn through this app. Simply you should need to click select. For example, I selected English. Now continue. So here is two types to log in your Busuu app. First with your Facebook, and second is with your Google account. Okay, now I'm going to continue with Facebook here. After continue with Facebook, here you can see like this type of interface. You should need to click continue as Lakhan anything you have named. So now you can see here, first of all, hi Lakhan Damani, let's get started. So here number first option is I'm new to English. Second, find my level. So here first of all two options. First is select with beginning, and second is with test. Find my language means when you will click find my language, when time this app will test from you. It will take test and then select your level. But now I'm going to tell you just about this app. So we will select I am new to English. Simply click on first option, and after you can see here like this type of interface. What is your main goal in learning English? When we selected, so like you can see I selected English. So he asked what is your main goal, why you want to learn English. So here are 5 options. We should need to select one. For example, number first, learn for fun and culture, and number second, feel like a local when I travel, and number 3, help with my education, and number 4, develop professionally, and number last, communicate with friends and family. So now I will select number 3, help with my education. So here number 4 option. First is A1, A2, B1, B2. A1 is for beginners, and A2 for elementary, and B1 is intermediate, and B2 upper intermediate. You know, I'm sure. Before I told you, I just going to tell you about this app. So we will select just beginning and continue. So now you should need to here select your days and time, because we have selected our days. As you can see, if you want to set your days as a custom, so you can select, but I want to select all of these. Okay, but I want to select all days only except Sunday. So I have a 6th day for practice each and every day 10 minutes, and also here's time, when time you want to do practice. Simply I want to set my time like 7 o'clock 30 minutes PM is evening time. Okay, you can see here last option, notification. You should need to on your notification, and then you will receive notification. Okay, continue. So now we should need to just click on continue, Again continue, and here you can see don't offer again. Click on it. Prepare your first lesson. Now we will enter in first lesson and we will do practice. Your first lesson is ready. Start learning. Let's get started. Okay, now we will practice our first lesson. You can see here option is play. Simply click on it.
Hi.
You can see he says hi. So you can see you should need to remember this word. How is it pronunciations?
Hi.
Okay, I think you got it. Simply continue. Hi and hello is similar meanings. It means hi and hello is similar meanings.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Like this type of conversation each and every day, and you have a lot of new words each and every day, new phrases you will learn. I think it's better for build your vocabularies also. Okay, simply click on continue. So now you can see here two options, true and false. He says hi and hello is similar. Yes, it's true, both are similar. Simply click on true. Correct.
Hi, how are you?
Now we should need to click on are you. How are you? How are you? Yes, correct. So now here you can see select the correct response to the question how are you. How are you? What is answer of how are you? How are you's answer is I'm fine, thanks. Simply continue. So here we should need to select two words for greet a friend like hi, hello. Simply continue it. Now we should need to correct a sentence like how are you and question mark. You can see. So that's why I told you it's a really great app for learning. So now we should need to fill in the gaps with the correct letters. Like we will add KS. I'm fine, thanks. Again continue. Now we need to add correct answer. Question with correct answer. Like how are you? Answer is I'm fine, thanks. Simply click it and write. And hi and hello is similar. So click it and okay, done. Again continue. So now this time just try to listen and write.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, correct. Again continue.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
It is just for listening. You should need to listen it just. So now just continue it. Continue it. You can see here our lesson is completed. You are 10 stars away from completing your daily goal. Keep going. So our first day is complete. Our 10 minutes is complete. Just click on continue. Again continue. Okay, continue. So you can see here our first lesson is complete. The green tick you can see here on our lesson. And today we learned first lesson, and next day we learn second, and third day we learn third lesson. Like this type of lessons we should need to do complete, and we will learn a lot of things. You can see here are so many lessons. Definitely you will learn easily. Okay, and you can see here next up. Simply click on it. Here you can see two options, vocabularies and quiz. You can start your quiz for test yourself and also learn new words from vocabularies. And then now I will tell you about profile. Simply click on it. Here you can see me. So this is your profile, and here here you can see days learned. Saturday we did complete, and here are some other options. Here are so many options, and yeah, and simply your top of corner on setting, and here you want to change your name, you can change. Okay, and if you want to change your photo, you can change your photo. Here about me, anything you want to type about yourself, so you can type here. And here your email, and here country, where you are from, select your country. And here I speak English. Any language you want, you select. I selected English. And here you can see take English placement test. If you want to give test, so you can give. So here just some study plan, you can set your study plan, like create a study plan. So many options here, so many features here, notifications, all of options here available. You can see here dark mode. If you want, so you can on your dark mode. If you want to off, so you can on. You can see clear lesson data. If you want to clear your data, your lesson, so you can. And here's option is log out. If you want to log out this ID, so you can. This option for notifications, and this is for message, get social. Yeah, select your language, any language you want to speak, so simply click on it and continue. Here you can see make friend, find English speakers. So I hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, it will be helpful, so please do like, and if you have any question, you can ask in comments box, and never forget to subscribe. Till then, take care, love you all, thanks for watching.